All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the timer in your photo app. That is your photo app. First, we got to open it. Bam. Touch it, it opens up. If you look at the bottom, you're going to see it's in photo. We got a white dot. If I touch video, it turns red. That means we're in the video. I can shoot horizontally or I can shoot portrait. Let's go back to photo because we want to find the timer, right? How do you find it? Well, what you're going to do is you're just going to touch that icon photo again. And it gives you this menu. If I'm in portrait, it's this way. If I'm in horizontal or landscape, it's this way. But let's go this way. All right, so now we want to set the timer because you want to have, let's say, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds to get everybody in place and take a picture with you in it. So what you're going to do is you're going to touch it. The first number that comes up is 3. If you're good with 3 seconds, if you think you can do it in 3 seconds, then what you would do is touch the field above it, and then it gives you your chance to do that. Now look, you can see there's a countdown, 3 seconds. It's going to go backwards. When I press this button, it's going to start counting down. Watch. Bam, it just took the picture. Okay, now let's say you want to go back to just taking pictures. You click on the photo again, you go to the timer, you click it, it goes to 5. You click it again, it goes to 10. I click it one more time, and it goes to regular taking a picture, instantaneously as you press that button. So you can do 3, 5, or 10 seconds. Just remember to get out of it, you click a field up here, and then you press the white button. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the iPhone. Peace out.